If you need help with OpenArt, the fastest way to reach the right team is to contact support directly with a clear, complete message. In this video, I'll show you how to contact OpenArt support step by step so you can get help with billing issues, technical problems, account questions, or anything else you need assistance with. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's jump in. First, open your email client on your PC. You can use Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, or any email app you already have installed. The goal here is to send a direct support request to the OpenArt team from the email address connected to your account whenever possible. Next, create a new message and address it to support@openart.ai. Make sure you type the email carefully so your message goes to the correct support inbox. This is the main contact email for OpenArt support, and it's where you should send your questions or issues. Now let's talk about the subject line, because this is important. Use a clear and direct format like billing or technical, followed by the issue and your username. For example, you can write something like billing issue with account-your username or technical issue with account-your username. This helps the support team quickly understand what your message is about and route it to the right person. In the body of the email, start by providing your registered account email. This helps OpenArt verify your account faster and makes it easier for them to locate your profile. After that, describe the issue in simple, clear language. Explain what happened, when it started, and what you were trying to do when the problem appeared. The more specific you are, the faster support can help you. If you have screenshots, attach them to the email. Screenshots are very useful because they give the support team visual context and help them identify the issue more quickly. If you're reporting an error message, a billing problem, or something not loading correctly, a screenshot can save a lot of back and forth. You can also include any extra details that may help, such as your browser name, device type, or the steps you already tried. For example, if you cleared your cache, changed browsers, or reloaded the page and the issue still happened, mention that in the message. That can make troubleshooting much easier. If you're logged into your desktop browser, you may also be able to access documentation and contact pathways straight from the OpenArt platform. To do that, navigate to the official OpenArt Help Center at openart.ai/help. The Help Center is a great place to find answers, troubleshooting guides, and official support resources before sending a message. Another option is to join the official OpenArt Discord server. Sometimes communities and official channels can help with common questions, product updates, or quick guidance. I'll include the Discord invite in the description so you can access it easily. Once you've written your message, double-check everything before you hit send. Make sure the support email is correct, the subject line is clear, your registered email is included, and any screenshots are attached. A well-written support email can speed up the response time and help you get the right solution sooner. And that's it. You now know how to contact OpenArt support the right way, using both email and the official help resources. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.